The house was in a terrible condition. The rain had come into all the bedrooms, because the roof was leaking, and there were stains on the walls and cabinets. A builder fixed the roof for us, and after that we had to decorate all the bedrooms. We also had to repair several windows that were cracked. Then we realized that the central heating wasn't working, and it cost a lot to have it repaired. The bathroom was a problem too. The shower didn't work properly. Some days the water was hot, others it was leaking, freezing, and the taps were leaking too. The previous owners had left two old cars in the garden, and we had to pay someone to remove them. It was all so expensive.